It is 12:30. I was right. I am getting ready to run some errands. I'm down here grabbing an outfit for the day, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and shower and get ready for the day. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've got going on right now. Is I'm gonna run some errands, and I have to do that by 1, so I'm gonna get ready now. So I am ready for the day. I just got out of the shower and got ready for the day, but now I am ready to go. I still need to do one thing though before we leave. I am currently walking through my college to go see an advisor for classes. Yeah, I want to become a veterinarian, so I'm gonna try to look for classes on that and see what I need to do to get all that done. So yeah, we shall see. I'm just waiting on somebody to come out and see me, and then I should be good to go. I'm glad I'm checking off all the boxes on my errands to do today. I've got my classes all figured out for the most part. I'm going to be taking most likely 4 classes this coming semester, which I'm honestly nervous about, but at the same time I know I got this, because wherever there's a will, there's a way, and I know I've got this, but I'm nervous because I've never taken 4 classes like at my college before, and I don't want it to feel like too stressful, but it should be fine, I would think. I've got this. I'm a strong individual. But whatever the case may be, I'm going to be taking what looks like to be 4 classes, and one of them really caught my eye. It was a literature class about reading murder mysteries and novels on murders and stuff. So that one really caught my eye, and I was like, ooh. So I'm going to be taking that one for sure. Well, I have to see like and stuff, but that one's a definite yes for now. And yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. So I'm proud of myself for wanting to do this and getting it done. I know that Mom, I know that I have to take a math class, which I'm not super excited for, but because math is not my strong suit, and I know that I can do it, but it's not my strong suit, so it's gonna be challenging at first, but luckily it's an in-person class. I hope that it's not too like confusing for me, but we'll see for now. But yeah, that's everything that I got done for my first errand, and now we're running our second errand, which is we're gonna go to a cat cafe. I'm excited to go to the cat cafe and like pet cats and see cats and play with cats and all that.
Where?
Mom! works out that my boyfriend's on vacation this week because now he won't be allergic to me when I go home. Because since we're going to the cat cafe, he's allergic to cats, and I will probably have cat fur on me, and I don't want to get him allergic, so it works out that he's on vacation this week because then he won't be allergic to me and won't have an allergic reaction to cat fur. Chocolate here. And I'm just watching the cats roam around, play, have fun, all that jazz. Oh, Mom. That one's getting water. We got a bunch of stuff done in my college that I went to, and yeah, that is pretty much it. My boyfriend's having a really fun time on his cruise ship that he's on right now. He I don't know what he's doing right now, but he went at 3:30 to get back on the boat, and he went to this Irish pub. He's down in Mexico right now, was in Mexico. I don't know exactly what he's doing right now, but he was in Mexico, and then, yeah, that's pretty much it. The one thing I need to do is stop saying, like, I'll talk to you later, or I'll talk to you when I get home, or, yeah, that's pretty much it, but that's one thing I need to do, but it is what it is, I guess. I just need to make it not a habit to say those things, I guess, like, make it a habit to not say those things, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. I'm home now, and I'm just watching Lab Rats. I have been working on the thing I'm making for Noah for when he gets back. So, yeah. I'm just taking a break because I'm tired, but I have tomorrow off as well, and then I work Thursday, but I'm excited to have tomorrow off as well, but yeah, that's it right now. I'm just gonna go back to watching Lab Rats. So, I have just been watching TV. I took a nap on the couch. I hope that tonight I don't fall asleep on the couch, because that was not my intent last night. This morning I woke up on the couch instead of falling asleep in my bed. So I hope that tonight I fall asleep in my bed, but if I fall asleep on the couch again, then that's fine, I guess. But I want to fall asleep on my bed this time, so we'll see. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys have a good day, night, or whatever you want to call it, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye! I'll talk to you in the next vlog. Bye! Hello and good afternoon. It is 12:30, I think. I am headed down to my bedroom to get an outfit for the day. And then I am going to shower and get ready for the day. So, yeah. I have to go to run some errands today, so I am going to get ready for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I plan on doing a few things today, so I'm gonna get ready now. I just scheduled an appointment to get with classes, so I'm excited for that. So that's all I'm gonna tell you right now. The first time we came to the cat cafe, we couldn't find it, but now we know where it's at, so we had fun there, and now we're just headed home. My Aunt Karen and Uncle Mike are supposed to be stopping by to help Mom with the gingerbread house, so
now we're working on the forest.
Yeah, they're working on the forest part of the gingerbread house, but they're supposed to be working on that, and I'm gonna watch a little more TV and just relax and enjoy my days off that I've got. Next week I've got Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday off, so I'm happy about that. I've got a 3-day weekend, which I'm happy about.
What a productive day it was.
It was such a productive day. We got out of the house, we went to the cat cafe, and
did a bunch of stuff there.
I am home now. I'm just watching Lab Rats, and I've been home for a long time now.